Drain 3 cups of the peaches and set aside the 2 cups for the topping. Crush your graham crackers by using a food processor, or you can use a Ziploc bag and use a rolling pin. Add the melted butter and mix it until well combined. Press the mixture into a greased spring foam pan. Put softened cream cheese in a bowl. Beat the cream cheese until smooth. Add the coconut cream without the liquid and the peaches. Then add honey. Add the sugar in the mixture. Dissolve gelatin in 1/2 cup milk, or you can use the Costco Mango Smoothie. Stir constantly and wait for the mixture to boil. Add 1/4 cup of the mango smoothie and stir. Wait for the gelatin to cool off before pouring it into the cream cheese mixture. Pour the mixture onto the prepared pan and chill overnight. In a small blender, combine 1 cup of the drained peaches and 1 cup of the Costco Mango Smoothie. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Drain the last cup of the peaches and add it to the mango peach mixture. Remove the chilled cheesecake from the refrigerator and run a knife along the side of the pan. Pour the mango peach topping. There you have it. Enjoy your refreshing peach mango dessert. Bon appetit!